Hey guys, it's Danielle, and I'm back here. I don't know what you want to call this. I bought a few products. Well, not products. I brought a few instruments, you could say, or whatever that I want to try on my skin. And I feel like this is like the perfect time to try it because if you can see, I have makeup on, and this is my makeup from last night. I had my birthday photo shoot, and I will be dropping a video about that. But I just wanted to show y'all the tools that I got. So we'll start off with this one right here, y'all. You can see my room. Like, this right here is amazing. It's a mini fridge, a Flawless Beauty mini fridge that I love a lot. I don't know if I can pick it. This is the box. The mini fridge is actually like, I don't want to break it. Here it is. Like, oh, it's really cute, and you can write on it, and it has stickers, and you actually can turn it from cold to hot. It's in the back. Okay. And then I already took it out, but this from Lux Skin, a Microdermabrasion kit. I want to make sure I said it correctly. So this is what I got from them, and it's actually really cute, handheld, and then it comes with like different like suctions, I guess, like suction cups. So you have this one, then you have this one, then you have this one, and then more of them. And then it comes with this cute little charger. It's portable, and so like you see. So yes, I want to use this today. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to go wash my face, and like I said on my prior videos, you know, I only wash my face with African black soap, pure African black soap. So I'm about to wash my face. I'm gonna come back with a clean face, and we're just gonna Microdermabrasion my face. Okay, be back. All right, guys. So my face is freshly washed. You can see. Then it says take a hot towel. Hot compressing to open up your pores. Ooh. This makes me want to go to sleep. Then it says you don't apply any serum or anything. You just use this. Let me come up close when we do this. Just skin it on. So skin looks kind of good. So here's the power button. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it says oily, normal, dry. Right now, and then I guess it's like the different type of suction, you can see. So I might just keep it on oily because I do deal with oily skin, but let's try it. I can see a little gunk.
When doing the microabrasion, like I said before, make sure you add a hot compressant to your face to open up the pores. Do not put any type of product on your face after you wash it. They said you're supposed to have a clean face, and this should take to about I say 5 to 7 minutes depending on how your face is. It took me about 5 minutes to complete, but I did go back over on some spots to make sure I got everything out. And to clean the tool, make sure you clean it with alcohol. That's what it recommends. So yeah, it was a little stinky at first, and the suction is really suctiony, if that makes sense. And they have 3 different type of settings. It's normal, oily, and dry, I guess, to fit your skin type. And it's an amazing product. I love the way it works. I really don't have anything in there, but I mean, I have like little dust particles, but I don't think you can see it like around the rim. But I mean, my skin definitely feels smooth. You can see the marks, but that'd be okay. That's what I got to look for. So yeah, I would recommend this. It's cute, portable, and it's lightweight. Now it's time to do some, well, not a mask, what am I doing? Cream. To end it off, the rose water. Go into my mini fridge and get the rose quartz roller to close. Ooh, it's cold. To close the pores back up. When using the rose quartz roller, make sure it's cold. Like, I store mine in my beauty fridge, or you can store it in your regular refrigerator. I usually put the rose water on top of it, and you're supposed to go in an upward motion. So it's kind of like closing up the pores, soothing your skin out, especially like if you're waking up and you have bags, that can help.
Put this back in the mini fridge. I feel like I got a hair in my eye. I don't know if I got it, but y'all know I'm using, that's almost on it, McKill's cream. And you don't even, oh my god, so this one. Alright, and then you don't even need that much. This. Hallelujah, hallelujah. And voila, magic. And I'm all done. Now, back to my normal skin. Alright, below, I will be dropping where I got this from in the mini fridge with the link. Okay, let me know what y'all guys think. Like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if y'all are using any of these, or if you have, you know, give me some deets. Okay? But I'll be back again shortly. So, thank y'all.